Welcome to Rome Tech. If you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. We've noticed an interesting trend recently involving a website called pvt.com. While we can't directly access and explore the site ourselves due to its private nature, we've gathered some information from various sources about what it might entail. It seems pvt.com is designed as a platform for exclusive content sharing, likely operating on an invitation or membership basis. This suggests a focus on privacy and controlled access, catering to a specific audience or community. The precise nature of the content shared on pvt.com remains somewhat elusive, but speculation ranges from private social networking and file sharing to more specialized uses like secure document exchange or professional collaboration within closed groups. The inherent privacy of the platform makes it difficult to ascertain the validity of these theories without direct access. However, the concept of a private online space for controlled sharing is undeniably intriguing. It speaks to a growing desire for greater control over one's digital footprint and the information shared online. In a world of increasingly public social platforms, the allure of a private, invite-only digital domain is understandable. This raises several questions. What are the potential benefits and drawbacks of such platforms? How do they balance the need for privacy with the potential for misuse? And what role might they play in the future of online interaction? While we can't definitively answer these questions without more information about pvt.com specifically, the emergence of such platforms highlights a shifting dynamic in the online landscape. It reflects a desire for more curated and controlled digital experiences, moving away from the open and often overwhelming nature of mainstream social media. It will be interesting to see how platforms like pvt.com evolve and whether they represent a growing trend towards greater online privacy and exclusivity. This trend toward private online spaces could be a response to increasing concerns about data security and privacy breaches on larger platforms. Or it could simply be a reflection of the natural evolution of online communities seeking more niche and focused interaction. Whatever the underlying reasons, pvt.com and similar platforms represent a fascinating development in the ongoing evolution of the Internet. We'll continue to keep an eye on this space and provide updates if and when more information becomes available. Let us know in the comments what you think about the concept of private online platforms like pvt.com. We'd love to hear your perspectives. And don't forget to subscribe and like for more content exploring the latest trends in technology and the digital world.